Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a Too Good haul. So Too Good is a sister company of Flipkart which is going to have this amazing sale, which is the Big Billion Days. So Flipkart and Too Good have together paired up and are going to have like such amazing deals on their platforms respectively. So today I have a Too Good haul of very affordable product. So the maximum range that I have is rupees 500, which when will go on sale will even be less. So I'm going to show you guys a few products that I absolutely love from Too Good that I've shopped in the past 2 months so that you guys know what to get from the platform. So let's get into the video and check out the products. So when it comes to products, the major range that I got is mainly Indian based products, but I have a few jeans, tank tops and denim jackets also for you guys to check out. So the very first thing that I got is this green kurti, which is perfect for this Navratri season that is coming up, and it has this red intricate detail on it with like these tan buttons. This would look very nice for your regular office wear or even for your college wear if you want to wear them for college. And sometimes you can even wear them for a little like family function or घर पे छोटी सी पूजा है, तो you can very easily sport this kind of a kurti with plazos and even with your basic leggings if you like. So this is the first product. It was for 275 rupees, and this is the exact rate at which I would have bought it from either Sarojini Nagar or any other local market. So sitting at home, sitting in the comfort of my bed and shopping products which are similar to what I would get from these local markets and at the same time at the same price is something that I absolutely love about Too Good. So the second product that I have are these jeans. So this is by some brand called as Scotty, and I am absolutely in love with these jeans. So I've always been skeptical to try out jeans of any other company apart from this small store in Rajouri Garden. Do let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to know where I shop all of my cool jeans from, and I would definitely do that video for you guys. So this jeans is really comfortable, very stretchy, super high waist. I have it in the size 24 and I usually wear a 24 in all brands, so that was very convenient for me to order because the sizing runs same as it would run in any other brand, which is amazing. And apart from that, it has this little knee rip which looks really cool when you wear it, and even the ends are a bit rubbed, so they look really nice when you wear them. Apart from that, I got this black sari. It's a plain black sari which I might get some work done by a tailor. So this was only for 375 rupees, and the sari is really very beautiful. It is like a what do you call chiffon kind of a fabric. Would look really nice on any puja or any function that I want, and I can even wear it in different ways, like as a skirt or as like a half sari or anything that I want to do with this sari. It would look really cool when I do it with a bright colored blouse or maybe even with some cool t-shirts. Apart from that, I got this what do you call tunic from Too Good, and this is how this looks. You can see it is super wrinkled, which means that I've washed it so many times and worn it like so many times by now. And it has a little bell sleeves action on it, and it is also this parrot green color with red on it. I would usually wear this either as a dress as it is because it's pretty long to wear as a dress, or else I would also wear this as a kurti on top of denims, or even red palazzo or red pajama. So this is how this looks, and the best part is it has this tie detail as well and a zipper as well for you to very comfortably slide in. If I were to wear it as a dress, I would add just a golden belt on it, and that's it. It would look so nice. Apart from that, I have a tank top in this exact same color. So tank tops are something that I absolutely love to wear underneath your mesh tops or a denim jacket and stuff like that. So I got two tank tops, one in this color and the other one in this light blue color, because these are the two colors that I don't have in tank tops. So I have yellow, red and all of those basic colors, but I thought of getting these really cool colors because this is what is trending this season. And both of them were for 180-ish rupees each. This dress retailed for 499. and the jeans retail for 499 rupees each. And the last thing that I have to show you guys is this denim jacket. A denim jacket that was only 389 rupees. Can you guys believe? It is such an amazing deal to shop from Too Good, and I was super pumped, and I got it in the size small, and this is the perfect fit for me. Like, it is so snuggy yet at the same time gives a little baggy effect when you wear it on top of any tank top or a top. And this looks so cool, the buttons look so cool, and once I am kind of bored of it, I could even do a little painting or something on the back of it to make it look very nice and cool and funky, or maybe add some glitter on the pockets or something like that, and it will look so nice and will give it a complete revamp. And I would not feel bad about doing it because it is so affordable. 389 is literally something that you would spend on any random top at any random store, and if you're getting a denim jacket at that rate, that is super amazing. So Too Good is having this really amazing sale coming up, and I would love all of you guys to check their app and check out the products that they have so that you don't miss out on this amazing sale. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure to like it. I will definitely leave a link to their app down below so that you can shop, and I would also leave a link to my store down below so that you can check it out. And if you plan on shopping, or if you buy some products from Too Good which are also in this haul, or even if it is not, just make sure to send me pictures of you in that outfit so that I can share it, and I can also we can have a little bonding moment over some good application that I found. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to share it with all of your friends who you think are real shopaholics and love shopping. Until next